Hello, sociologists. Message for you. I hope you're having a good day today. I just want to run down what I want you to do next week. So, here we are, class and the economy in childhood and adolescence. And you've got 3 articles that you're going to be reading. It was fun to talk gender last night too, by the way. But what I want you to do is I want you to read this one, and read this one. And I want you to pick this one. I'm going to click on it. So you're looking with me. You can download it if you like to, or you can just pull it right from here. But basically what I want you to do is I want you to read it. And I want you, I know it's a very janky copy, but don't make fun of me. Or you can make fun of me. I don't really care. I want you to read this. And then I want you to pick a quote from here that you're going to share in class. Okay, it's not that long, so don't get all complaining on me. You're going to pick a quote that is salient to you, one that makes you, mad, excited, interested, I don't know. And it's about class, but it's also about the achievement gap and how it is racially based. And so since we can think about things specific to a certain ascribed status, we also know that everything is intersectional. And so we're going to be kind of dancing between gender, race, and class throughout the course of the semester. But so for this reading, it's going to be race and class. All right. So that's all I have to say to you. Go forth and conquer. I hope you have an awesome few days. I'm going to go see, the guy tonight at 7. Why can't I remember his name? Because I'm having a brain fart. But I'll be there. If you guys are there, say hi to me. All right. You take good care. Bye-bye.